Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the Standard Glass Lining Technology Limited earnings conference call hosted by Go India Advisors. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then 0 on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Ms. Monali Jain from Go India Advisors. Thank you, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sagar. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Q4 and FY'25 earnings call of Standard Glass Lining Technology Limited. We have on the call Mr. Nageshwara Rao Kandula, Managing Director, Mr. Ramakrishna Kandula, Executive Director, Mr. Venkata Mohana Rao Katargada, Executive Director, and Mr. Anjaneyulu Pathuri, Chief Financial Officer. We must remind you that the discussion on today's call may include certain forward-looking statements and must be therefore viewed in conjunction with the risk that company faces. I will now request Mr. Kandula to take us through the financials and the business updates, subsequent to which we'll open the floor for questions and answers. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Monali. It is with immense pride to gratitude that I welcome you all to this landmark investor gathering. FY'25 has been a truly defining year for Standard Glass Lining Technology Limited. A year where we not only crossed critical milestones but also set the stage for a bold and transformative future. This was our first full year as a listed entity, and I must begin by thanking all of you, our investors, customers, partners, and team members for the trust you have placed on us. Your belief fuels our ambition, and your support powers our execution. Robust performance, strong fundamentals. Let me start with our financial performance. We delivered strong results in FY'25. Revenue growth 14% year-on-year, 626 crores, a clear indicator of value expansion and more value-added product mix. EBITDA stood 120 crores with a robust EBITDA margin of 19.1%, reflecting operational discipline and cost optimization. PAT increased 69 crores, maintaining a healthy PAT margin, 14% growth of 10.9% PAT. We are proud to share that we are now net debt-free with a solid cash reserves, 266 crores, underscoring the financial strength and sustainability of our business. Q4 FY'25 in particular was a strong close to the year with revenue 170 crores, 20% growth quarter-on-quarter, EBITDA 28 crores with 16.6% margin, PAT 16 crores, growth 3% quarter-on-quarter. Despite deferred export orders, we maintained the consistent double-digit growth, proof that our core of resilient and scalable. Strategic growth, technological leadership. FY'25 was not just about numbers. It was about the bold strategy and future readiness. We are thrilled to announce a 20-year global strategic partnership with the AGI Group and GL Hako Japan. Through this exclusive collaboration, Standard Glass became the first company outside Japan to manufacture stainless tube glass lining heat exchangers, highly specialized high-performance product. We have exclusive global supply rights, excluding Japan, and initial production capacity 200 units a month, going live in Q4 FY'26. Already secured 150 advanced domestic orders, a strong validation, demand and trust. Tap into an addressable market, 2,000 crores in India and $2 billion globally. This partnership is a game changer, not just for us, but for the entire pharma and chemical heat exchanger industry. It places Standard Glass on a global technology map. Operational excellence, world-class infrastructure. In line with our growth strategy, we successfully commissioned Unit 5, a state-of-the-art 1 lakh square feet facility, and fully consolidated operations from Unit 2, This has enhanced productivity, improved cost efficiency, and created a scalable manufacturing backbone for the future. Global footprint, trusted Indian engineering. We are proud to share that our wholly owned subsidiary S2 Engineering has entered into a long-term exclusive supply agreement with GAIL Process Solution LLC, USA. This gives a direct access to international market for stainless steel, carbon steel, and nickel alloy-based process equipment, further boosting our global credibility and revenue streams. Looking ahead, the future is bright. FY'25 is a milestone. FY'26 will be a launch pad. With a strategic partnerships, advanced product lines, world-class infrastructure, and a healthy balance sheet, we are entering a transformational phase. We are expected to achieve 20-25% revenue growth, maintain the EBITDA margins 18-20%, continue to launch new high-performance products, expand deeper into regulated global markets. Our vision to clear to be the global benchmark in a glass-lined and high alloy equipment and metal equipment performance engineering solutions. Dear investors, this journey is not just ours. It is yours too. You have believed on us, and we are committed to rewarding your trust with performance, innovation, and integrity. Let me leave you with the one-off thought. We are not just building equipment. We are building India's engineering legacy in a global canvas. Thank you all.
Sir, should we open the floor for questions? Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star then 1 on their touchtone phone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star then 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. Again, to register for a question, please press star then 1. Our first question comes from the line of Mudit Bandari from IIFL. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. In terms of the glass lining equipment divisions, we have seen very good growth both in terms of revenue and margin. So what are the end segments driving those, particularly within pharma and chemicals? And whether there has been any increased order booking or whether there has been any increased execution in terms of late.
Sir, your voice is very low, sir. Can you speak loudly?
Am I audible?
Can you question also, can you repeat?
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes. When you loudly, you can speak, sir, please, kindly.
Yeah, sure. So in terms of glass lining division, we have seen a good execution, particularly in terms of fourth quarter. So what are the end segments which have driven this, particularly within the pharma? If there are any specific equipments or any specific sectors. And secondly, in terms of the new products that we have launched over the last 4 months, so any improvement, any demand side trajectory from that side would be helpful.
No, industry is pharma industry is still growing single digit, but we did double digit. All areas we covered. It's not a particular one product, and we covered all areas and all products. Chemical is still a bit challenge, but we received some chemical area also good orders from good some clients, and that's the reason this growth is now possible.
And sir, any indication of order booking, increased order booking, or any trajectory in terms of particularly glass lining?
Coming year, almost all or 80% we booked coming year, because of our delivery is very faster deliveries. That is our strength, very faster deliveries. So order book is we not believe because of our deliveries and our equipment is very faster delivery. But a good, very good order book we have, And also in pipeline discussions also very positive. Next year we are expecting very good growth.
Got it, sir. And in terms of new products like glass line heat exchangers and others that you were talking about, so any update in terms of those, in terms of number of orders or in terms of increased customer interaction?
Yes. This is shell and tube heat exchanger. Last 1 year we worked the background with GL Aqua and AGA, and now we are going to exclusively unit also we are going to start in 25 December. And in India, and also at the same time we are expanding in Japan also, Japan facility, Aqua facility also, capacity enhancing. So just we opened within 15 days we received almost 150 heat exchangers. Same that encouragement we are going to launch through GL Aqua conductivity glass. Now whatever worldwide all glass lining equipment manufacturers are producing non-conductivity glass lining reactors. We coming 2 months, 3 months, we are discussing with some government institutes in the approval of the glass and certification of the glass. Once we are going to complete within 2 months this glass certifications. Once the certifications complete, we are going to launch this. This is not this glass conductivity glass going to again game changer because we are not a business point of view. This is going to increase the safety of the pharma and chemical equipment. So this is also we are in the pipeline, and 1 or 2, 3 products we are discussing with many global companies. That is also chances are there this year, and also we are discussing with some types and things are going on. Many things are encouragement and very positive.
Got it, sir. I'll fall back in the queue.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants, if you wish to register for a question, you may press star then 1 on your touchtone phone. Our next question comes from the line of Prayan Sharma, an investor. Please go ahead.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, audible, sir. Please.
Good evening, sir. So congratulations for good results. Sir, I wanted to ask firstly that our initial guidance was that we were about to do like 82 crores of PAT in FY'25 and 650 crores of revenue. So what has actually gone wrong in achieving those guidance? And also, can you share something about export share this year?
Sir, the thing is, unfortunately, one consignment we announced that also in the result. One consignment unable to schematic license export confirmations not received. Due to that, we are unable to deliver one big consignment export. Due to that, that is slightly impact revenue and the same time PAT also. That is going to that good that export and profit going to results showing in our coming first quarter.
Okay, so we will see the effects of those like sales and revenue PAT in the Q1 of FY'26.
Yes.
And sir, what kind of response we have got from the new products like glass line, shell and tube exchangers and conductivity glasses? Because as per the announcement from the company, production should start from Q4 FY'26, right? So what kind of revenues will be able to achieve from operating them at full capacity, like new products, 200 per month or so?
Just we opened announcement shell and tube heat exchangers order booking 1 month back, and we immediately within month we received 150 numbers. But unfortunately, Japanese plant don't have any capacity to produce. They are producing only monthly 20 numbers. And now we need to expand the Japan facility also. We are expecting that facility expansion going to complete in FY'25 December. January onwards, we are planning to produce 200 heat exchangers per month we are planning. And at the same time, Indian facility also we are assembly center. This is almost 85% manufacturing going to complete in Japan, and we balance 15% we are going to assembly in India, manufacturing going to India. That is, we are building the exclusivity one more unit for this heat exchangers. And we are 150 number. Now today, we are booking heat exchangers 24 weeks, 28 weeks delivery period based on. Because of already we are complete coming 9 months, we fully booked for heat exchanger business. We are hope that particularly glass lining business, heat exchanger going to add at least to 30-40% growth.
Okay, so, and sir, how about the reactors, sir? Glass line reactors?
Glass lining is doing, we are doing good. We launched it recently without gasket reactors, that is smart seal, we patented, and without C-clamp reactors, we launched it. No one have this type. And the conductivity of glass also coming 2 months. Already trials are completed, and some clients are using. But we are approaching some institutes for Indian certification of the conductivity glass authentication. Once that certification complete, we are coming 2 months, we are going to launch this product also. Based on that, this is going to be a big game changer, sir. Because of many plants, many accidents happening due to static electricity. Once this reactor entered and plant going to fully safety, customer going to full benefit. So this is a glass lining reactor. So conductivity glass, particularly I am talking about conductivity glass reactor going to be a big game changer. And also we are launching with a reasonable price. Already we are discussing with Japanese partner, and after 2 years they agreed to supply reasonable price with conductivity glass. So we are bringing with reasonable price with higher end product.
Okay, sir. One of the last questions from my side, that are there any potential products coming from standard glass linked with semiconductor industry? Because glasses, reactive glasses, conductive glasses, I think they have some applications in semiconductor industry also. So are we planning, or do we have something in pipeline?
Yes. We are semiconductor industry required high purity chemicals, that is, and leaching levels. Now whatever pharma companies are using, glass leveling, leaching level is ppm level, and conductivity glass lining, conductivity glass chemicals required PPT, low level, low leaching, high corrosion resistant glass is required. That glass also we are going to launch. Already we are discussing with one client going to start this electromagnetic chemicals. That pilot plant they are going to start. We already submitted our proposal also. This glass, MIZ, we are calling low leaching, high conductive, high corrosive glass. We are launching coming months. And also, now we are in API chemicals and
nuclear
area only. We are doing now coming months. I am going to good news. Standard glass going to enter formulation equipment and injectables area. We are also looking for opportunities. Already we have started discussions, and we will coming months we will announce good news.
Sir, one last question from my side, that what export share can we expect in FY'26?
This is today, but today almost all 1 minute. Very good growth, sir. Today we have almost our coming year revenue 15% going to participate in export, and maybe now today projections are showing 15%, maybe more.
I mean, if FY'25 is 15%, then FY'26 would be more. Am I getting it?
FY'25 is one consignment stock, sir. I have not calculated. I need to take details. But FY'26 I am talking about now, as per order booking, this may be 15% now today, and maybe more going to increase FY'26 delivery.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for answering my questions. That's all from my side.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Manish from B&K Securities. Please go ahead.
Thanks for an opportunity, sir. I have just one question. So, sir, how are you planning to build a distribution and the service capabilities in international market? especially like the outside India and Japan, where you have the exclusive supply rights for a new heat exchanger technology?
Sir, already we have signed with IPP USA. They have worldwide service centers. They are going to manage our products. That's the reason we exclusively tie up with IPP. And Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, we signed with Biocon Solutions. They are in field. They have full service setups and storage facilities.
Okay, that's helpful, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants, you may press star then 1 to ask a question. Our next question comes from the line of Garvita from Seven Islands PMS. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, madam, please.
Yeah. So my first question is if you could elaborate a little bit more on the glass line shell and tube heat exchangers which we are about to start production for.
Madam, say again, madam. Please repeat question, madam.
So can you please elaborate a little bit more upon glass-lined heat exchangers?
Okay. Glass lining shell and tube heat exchanger is first line. Japanese company JLACO is invented and they are manufacturing last 15 years, but they don't want to disclose to technology or they don't want to sell outside. And then we approached and we convinced their management, and later we got 20 years licensed. We are going to assemble in India. We are going to sell in India. This is a unique product. Why? Because of now our pharma chemical companies are using graphite heat exchangers. Graphite heat exchangers always release the particles, and also high equipment also sometimes hydrochloric acid whenever 50 degrees above, C above, this is damaging is there. Industry facing lot of challenges, black particles, batch failures, and this is shell and tube heat exchanger is going to game changer for particularly corrosive area heat exchangers. This is we are launched. Customers are very happy. Just within 15 days we got 150 numbers order. Now we stopped order bookings also. We are telling to clients, if you want to heat exchanger, we will supply after 24 weeks. That is demand. Okay. We are announced the addressable market 2,000 crores in India and globally $2 billion market globally. And coming existing reactor, if you calculate the almost all India running glass reactors, almost all above 1 lakh reactors are current running. That all reactors required this heat exchanger replacement. Market is huge, but we announced only addressable market, current market. Whatever we got 150 numbers, that is all existing reactors they want to replace the heat exchangers.
And so this 150, like 200 units of capacity which we have, is this the annual capacity or monthly capacity?
Present, we are going to start January 27 onwards, 200 numbers.
Once the expansion is ready, we'll have a capacity of 200 units, right?
Yes, madam.
And is that the annual manufacturing capacity or the monthly capacity, I'm asking, sir?
Monthly, madam. This is 200 heat exchanger is monthly, just a startup. And based on requirement, we can increase the capacity. That is our plan, GLACO and standard class plan.
So the current order which we have for 150 units, that will be delivered within 1 month after the expansion, right?
No, madam. This 150 we are going to deliver it coming 4 months. We are importing these heat exchangers. We are importing from Japan and we are delivering now.
Okay, so if I'm reading it right, we are importing them and we are assembling them here. We are not manufacturing here in India, right?
Yes, madam.
Okay, and so one more question. If you could tell me how much of the impact we can see on the revenue from this tie-up with Japan company and with the new product which we are coming with.
This shell and tube heat exchanger is going to increase or adding particularly glass lining division. I am not talking about the total revenue. Glass lining division, we are expecting 30-40% revenue from particularly shell and tube heat exchanger.
Okay, glass line contribution will increase by 30 to 40%.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes.
One more question I have, sir, if I can just squeeze in. How much of the contribution do we have from non-pharmaceutical business segment, sir?
No, madam. Our major business is 85% coming from pharma, 15% only other areas. We are also, that is also we are now focusing our chemicals and agrochemicals area. We are going to increase our business.
I'm sorry, sir, if you could repeat, 15% share is coming from?
Chemical, madam. Chemical and agrochemicals.
Chemical business. Chemical, all right. And can you name a few clients which we have from chemical and agro business?
No, madam, I can't disclose my client list, madam. Please don't mind.
Oh, okay. Not an issue, sir. Thank you so much. That's all.
Yes. Okay, madam.
Thank you. Participants, you may press star then 1 to ask a question. The next question comes from the line of Rishi Kothari from PI Investments. Please go ahead.
Hello. Yeah. Thank you so much for the opportunity. I had just one question to ask, that is,
Hi, sir.
given that we have now... Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Given that we now are net debt free with cash balance around 260 odd crores, how do we plan to deploy that capital with are we looking at CapEx, R&D investments, or rather we want to, return that money to a shareholders through a buyback or sort of way? How exactly are we looking at?
Already we announced, sir, we have land 36 acres from Telangana government, and we are going to build 5.5 lakh square feet, one plant, one roof. Current our plant capacity is 60 mm thick, 60 ton crane capacity plant we have, and we are going to build 100 mm thickness and 100 ton crane capacity plant. We are going to construction. This we are expecting 18 to 24 months. We are going to complete this project. Once this project is complete, we are going to enter into petrochemicals, heavy engineering divisions. We are budgeted almost 130 crores we are going to invest on this facility.
So all would be investment in terms of CapEx and nothing in terms of other deployment.
But present we are focusing on we are going to do CapEx 130 crores on this facility. Any good opportunities, any future acquisition opportunities, we are all time open.
Okay, works. Yeah, it's pretty clear. Okay, thank you so much for the opportunity. I'll turn back to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Again, if you wish to register for a question, please press star then 1. Our next question comes from the line of Hemant Soni, an investor. Please go ahead.
So thank you for providing me the opportunity. So I had a couple of questions. First I wanted to ask is, we had earlier guided that we wanted to sell around 50 to 100 heat exchangers in Q1 of FY'26, and gradually it will ramp up to 200 heat exchangers by Q3 of the current financial year, that is FY'26. So I mean, I'm new to the company, and I think that the production will take some time for heat exchangers. So are we going to import it and assemble it here? And if that is so, then when will the production of the heat exchangers start?
Sir, this all, once again I will explain. Just last call also I explained. 1 month back we started bookings these heat exchangers. We booked within 15 days. We got 150 heat exchangers numbers. This all 150 heat exchangers we are going to complete within 16 to 20 weeks deliveries. We are importing from Japan, and we are some additional parts we are manufacturing and we are doing. Future, we are talking about the January 27 onwards. Last quarter, we are going to planning to produce 200 heat exchangers per month. But slowly, this is going to 50, 60, 100 numbers like that. The next fourth quarter is going to revenue growth is maybe good due to this heat exchanger. But whatever we have 150 numbers order, we are going to complete within 3 to 4 months.
So, sir, I mean then the fourth quarter will start the production of the heat exchangers.
Production means that is also partial production. Full production, 80% still 80% production going to happen in Japan.
Okay. And sir, the greenfield project which we were talking about of the 9 lakh square feet, that phase one.
Sorry, 5.5 lakh square feet we are planning, sir.
5.5.
5.5.
And the phase one consists of 3 lakh square feet, right, sir?
No, sir. Total we are based on industry demand and international clients approach and everything based on that encouragement. Management is decided to construct 5.5 lakh square feet at a time.
Achha, and when will it go live, sir?
Sorry?
When will it go live?
We are expecting this project to complete within 18 to 24 months.
18 to 24 months. Okay, sir. And sir, my one more question regarding the revenue guidance miss has already been answered. So just wanted to ask you one thing, that export consignment has been deferred to Q1, right? So can we expect some better numbers in Q1
Definitely,
than Q4?
sir. Yes, definitely.
So there should be a Q&Q growth, right?
Yes. Q1 is going to be good.
And sir, one more thing is we have guided for 20 to 25% revenue growth in FY'26, correct?
Yes, possibility is there.
20 to 25% revenue growth. And sir, what will be the EBITDA margin?
Good, sir. Compared to this year also, next year, coming 10 years is very, very good. Company growth is there, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Participants, you may press star then one to ask a question. Your next question comes from the line of Yash from BNP Paribas. Please go ahead.
Hi. Thank you for providing the opportunity. I just had one question regarding the how exactly are you planning to build the distribution and service capabilities across globe, like in international markets, specifically outside India or Japan? Where do we have exclusive supply rights for the new heat exchanger technology? If you could throw some light on that.
Japan, already we have investor and partner, GL Atco going to handle our products, that is directly. They have already network. They are the world largest all-glass equipment manufacturer and a leading glass lining equipment manufacturer in Japan. So they have own sales network and everything. India, we have own sales network. Okay, we no problem. And particularly US and Europe, IPP International Process Plant in New Jersey, USA. They have worldwide 156,000 clients, and Europe and USA and Romania, they have already service center and stock points. They are going to manage our business. They are sole seller for our products. We are already signed for agreement. They are going to manage our business. And second is Biocon Solutions. Recently we signed. They are going to manage Indonesia, Thailand, and Singapore and Malaysia. That regions they have service setup and sales setup. They are going to handle these products. So almost all 80% we covered with IPP and Biocon Solutions and GL Atco, and rest of 20% Middle East and other areas we are directly we are going to handle that business.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next question comes from the line of Mudit Bhandari from IIFL Capital. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. In terms of your EBIT margin, so Glassline saw strong improvement if you see from third quarter to fourth quarter, and metal equipment divisions saw some decline around 17% in third quarter to 11% in fourth quarter. So any particular reason or one-off?
Product mix, sir. Product mix. Due to product mix, this has happened. But overall, you can look into the year-on-year growth, sir.
Got it, sir. So within metal forms, metal equipment division, which are our products which are of lower margin?
No, EBITDA level all are same, sir.
Okay, then, but this is a strong diverse from 17% to 11% in metal equipment division only because of product mix.
Sorry, say again, sir, please.
In third quarter, 17% EBIT margin, and in fourth quarter, 11% margin is only because of product mix, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Got it. And what are our CapEx plan for our the expansion project? So in FY'26 and FY'27, the total amount that we will be spending, including the maintenance and sustenance CapEx?
Existing facilities, we are going to invest in almost 40 crores on existing facilities, whatever we say in IPO funds. And new project, new CapEx, we are going to do 130 crores with 36 acres land, 5.5 lakh square feet we are going to build. That is one big expansion.
This 130 will be done in current year FY'26.
No, sir. That we are expecting 18 to 24 months. That project is going to complete. That is complete greenfield project.
Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Romil Jain from Electrum EMS. Please go ahead.
Hi. Am I audible, sir?
Yes. Please, sir.
Thanks for the opportunity. So, firstly, just to understand on this glass-lined heat exchanger business. As you mentioned, you are going to. So this is an outsourcing contract, basically outsourcing of heat exchanger manufacturing from Japanese guys, right? AGI. So you will actually manufacture for them and sell it to them only, right? If I understand that correctly.
Not correct, sir. They are innovator. We got license. We are going to sell worldwide, except Japan. Japan directly they will sell.
Okay.
And we will sell India and rest of world.
India and rest of the world you will sell with their technology, with their license. So,
yes.
Are we going to pay any royalty or any one-time fee or anything like that, if you can clarify, to the Japanese company?
Domestic royalty we are going to pay 4% and global royalty we are going to pay 7%.
Okay, got it. And sir, till 2027 January, we will largely import from them and sell it. But later on, when we manufacture on our own, will the margins start moving upwards in this segment?
Sir, yes. Good. This is going to be one of good products for standard glass.
Okay. And sir, you mentioned that you will have a 200 units per month capacity. So let's assume that in by 28 you will be fully utilized. So what is the game plan after that? Where can this capacity go?
Capacity, based on demand, we can expand. We are planning to produce per month 600-700 heat exchangers also. That plant we are building like that, future purpose. Now we are going to see the market response, market estimation. We are going to start first phase 200 heat exchangers 27 January onwards.
And the application for this will be largely pharma and chemicals. Is that right?
Yes. Largely pharma, chemicals, petrochemicals.
Okay. And lastly, sir, just on this conductivity glass, when it is going to start in terms of production and all, and can you just help us with what kind of revenues will this contribute and what kind of margin implications it will have?
Sir, conductivity glass going to be a big game changer because of whatever current producing, not India, global players also, they all are producing non-conductivity glass line reactors. And we are already, our Japanese company sent the staff last 3-4 months, they trained our employees and the production staff, we demonstrated and completed. Now we are approaching proper institutes approved authentication certificate. Once that we got certification, we hope we will get within 2 to 3 months. Once we got this certificate, we will officially this heat conductivity glass lining we are launching. That is how much we are growing. We need to see, sir. We are also launching with reasonable price because of we don't want to put higher price and the customer can't bear also. My intention is my business should be we are doing B2 business, B2B. Whatever we are selling, that customer also going to get benefit. Once we started selling this conductivity glass lining reactors, plants also going to be very safe and they can grow. Customer grow, we grow, that is it. And the revenue, profitability, how much grow, we will need to see. what is the customer response, how much they are going to pay. That we need to analysis, we need to wait sometime.
So we can see FY'27 getting some revenues out of this?
Yes. No, our target is all reactors we are going to sell conductivity glass. That we are planning. Then customer also going to accept, because of now what happened, customer is using Tantalum tip. Tantalum tip is the static discharge, but that is not sufficient. But government now instructed every reactor requires Tantalum tip. Because of earlier no one have conductivity glass lining. But once the conductivity glass launched, government if you instruct to use conductivity glass lining reactors, then that is going to be a big game changer for glass lining industry.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. I'll get back in the queue and all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Satyam from Profit Marks Securities. Please go ahead.
Thank you for the opportunity. I had a couple of questions. Maybe you have answered earlier. I joined a bit late. As you said, you expected 20 to 25% revenue growth in FY'26. What are the main reasons for the expected growth, and how much could this be affected by changes in economy or the industry?
Now, sir, if we last 3-4 months, if you see, the pharma also started, all pharma companies announced capex, and 2-3 my chemical companies also announced capex. Inquiry flow is increased and order booking also increasing, and also same time we are launching shell and tube heat exchangers, and metal division also we are launching 2-3 products, 2-3 variety of products. The solid growth chances are there coming years based on this all mixing.
Okay. And my second question is, your EBITDA margins are strong at 19.1% and you are aiming to keep it between 18 to 20%. What steps are you taking to keep your margins strong while starting a new production and expanding your operations?
This is a new production, sir. We are cost saving and a new shell and tube heat exchanger launching, and export we are going to be increasing. This all things going to help our EBITDA and PAT.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Hemant Soni, an investor. Please go ahead.
Sir, thank you for providing me the opportunity again. Sir, I just wanted to ask one more thing. Like, what will be the asset turn for 130 crore capex?
130 crores. That once that expansion is completed, now gross block is 130 crores. 130 crores. Today we are doing 6 to 7 times, and now we are investing another 40 crores on IPO funds on existing facilities, and that maybe 130 crores after completion we can reach easily total 260 crores gross block. We can reach easily 7, 8, 9 times we can turn our revenue turnover.
So around 1,000 crores something, right? Of incremental revenue.
More, sir. More.
Around 1,200 crores of incremental revenue, correct?
That is I'm saying. Up to 3,000 crores we can reach this after this capex investment.
Up to 3,000 crores?
Yes.
Okay. And sir, if I understood it correctly, in the fourth quarter of the current financial year, we will start a partial production of heat exchangers. Yes. And in January 27, we start the full production.
Full production, yeah. April onwards, full production.
And sir, that 5.5 lakh square feet greenfield project, the products will be heat exchangers and conductivity glass?
No, sir. That is entirely different. This immediately we are launching, sir. Coming 2 months, we are going to launch conductivity glass. Conductivity glass is only existing glass we are replacing with conductivity glass. Shell and tube heat exchanger, we are building the one new special separate unit.
So that will be built under the 5.5 lakh square feet, or it will be?
No, 5.5 lakh square feet is separate, sir. Separate project. That project we are building heavy engineering and petrochemicals area. Oil and gas, downstream, upstream, we are planning to manufacturing. And also existing products also, any capacity required, we can add that products also there. That is a multi-plan that 5.5 lakh square feet purpose we are building.
So that excludes the heat exchangers.
Heat exchangers is separate, sir, please. Heat exchangers unit is separate. That we are going to finish within 3-4 months. That unit we are going to complete because of December onwards. Existing campus means our glass lining unit, first to starting unit is there. That unit we are converting to shell and tube glass lining heat exchanger unit.
So, sir, we'll be doing around 3,000 crores of capex. 3,000 crores of revenue from 130 crore capex. So we are
130 and 140, total 170, 200 approximately we are going to invest coming months.
170 crores will give a revenue of 3,000 crores on a consolidated basis, right?
Existing 130 is there, sir. Existing 130, the future is 170 to 200 crores we are going to invest. Once that completion, we can reach 3,000 crores revenue. That is my...
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as there are no further questions, I would now like to hand the conference over to the management for closing comments. Sir, please go ahead. Sir, can you hear us? Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Go India Advisors, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us. You may now disconnect your lines.
Thank you all. Thank you for participating and the call.